Mother's Day poem. The past 2 months have been so very hard. I know I can't even give you a card. I wish I could see you and give you a hug. I'm starting to crave it like some wacky drug. I miss you so much. It feels like the rain. Online shopping's not even easing the pain. You stood by me when I was a teen. I was rude and loud and often mean. I would take it all back, especially now. I'd trade the nights out to see you, but how? When I needed to shave my legs for the first time. When I wanted a car and didn't have a dime. As a mom, you're a doctor, you're a teacher, and you're a friend. You taught me what's right, and not just to follow a trend. Thank God you're alive. I get a second chance to show you I love you. And maybe even put on some pants. Okay, maybe not. To hear your voice without that phone having to ring. And just drink coffee and discuss Tiger King. If you're bored in the house and you're in the house bored, give mom a call. She'll be happy. She'll be floored. I won't have to worry that you're safe at home. I'll be able to remove the camera from that garden gnome. When quarantine's done, I won't take you for granted. The statement, Mom, it can't be recanted. The virus put distance between Mom and me, but it made us closer in ways you can't see. I love you so much, my beautiful Mom. I'm grateful to have you because you are the bomb. Love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.